Here's your coffee.
Thank you, baby. That's awesome.
Made by me.
Oh, it's always the best.
Hope you like black coffee.
I love it.
It's funny, I never saw you in our 12 years. I've never seen you drink black coffee until now.
I
What?
used to drink black coffee in Afghanistan.
Yes.
But, I don't know, I got spoiled by the Dunkin' Donuts stuff, and I was like, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth trying, so I was like, let's go back to black coffee. We're gonna turn to the north here in just a minute. We're getting to that shallow area, and we had to get up a little bit earlier today because the tide was gonna go down. We're about half tide right now, going out, and we're just about out of it. 7.5 feet, we got plenty of room, and then, like I said, we're gonna turn north and probably put out the head sail. I think we're gonna be pretty much downwind for a lot of today, and then we'll just sail on, or sail north up to Compass Key, something like that, whatever we decide to go to.
Bye-bye, rolling anchorage.
We're off again, headed for more adventure in the Bahamas.
I hear you calling.
Drop the dinghy, swim with the sharks.
Swimming with sharks? You know it. We're gonna dive right in.
It's a really different experience.
Come along with us
Right to the pump mouth.
as we explore amazing destinations. Let's do it. Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. Looking for something exciting, free, and real? If so, you found the right place. Meet Calypso, our floating home.
It's not working.
We're sailing her all over and taking you for the ride. Please click on subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
On the Explorer charts, you can see there's like little lines. Oh, this little road, that little road that you can take. We're jumping between here, and what I do is I kind of compare that to what's on Navionics, and you know, I don't know, I think Explorer's a little more accurate, but still be careful. And whenever you jump across, you want to look for like coral heads, so you just keep an eye out, make sure you're not going to hit anything crazy. There's like a hard rock bar right there, something like that. We're not sailing at all, but that's because we're going to be turning. We're going like pretty much downwind, so it's going to adjust that, and I just don't feel like doing it, to be honest with you, tacking or jibing, and we're going to wait till we make that turn and then put the sail out.
It's a beautiful morning, hot coffee in hand and following seas. You can't beat this. We're on our way to some remote anchorages with lots to see. All we need to do is set the sails and let the wind carry us along.
I hear you calling.
Yes, I'm gonna set Reese's bed up.
Is he sleeping in here with us?
On Fridays, he sleeps with us, and apparently it's Friday.
Yeah, I've been out there watching King of Queens with him.
Aww.
How'd you like today?
That was
Swimming with
great.
sharks and the bubbly.
Yeah, I mean, what a great day. Like, our days are really, really full.
Yeah.
You know, like we weigh anchor, we go over there, we drop the dinghy, swim with the sharks, go to the bubbly, then we went to a little private beach, and then we hop back in the boat, weigh anchor again, because I guess we weigh anchor and then we dropped anchor.
Well,
earlier,
it was
but-
rolling.
Oh yeah, we weighed anchor again because it was a rolling anchorage, so...
Wait a sec. Did we miss all that? Let's back it up a bit. We have sharks to swim with and champagne to swim in. Welcome to Compass Key Marina, where you'll find crystal clear waters and tons of sharks. And today, we're going to swim with them. Let's jump right in. Kids first.
Look right here, Reese. There's you.
This unique destination allows you to swim with supposedly friendly nurse sharks, but I still feel a little nervous about it.
Stop that.
Maybe I like it.
Stop that.
He's like face to face with it right there. Yeah, look, Reese. How do you look?
All right, I might be freaking out a bit. That's only because a kid just got his finger cut when placing his hand too close to one of the shark's mouths.
Like right on top. There you go.
Yeah, this is obviously the good spot for this guy, lad. He's laying on top of his body.
All in all, they were very cool. They feel rough like sandpaper. The nurse shark has 2 rounded dorsal fins, rounded pectoral fins, and a broad head.
Really neat spot. We dropped the anchor about a mile away and we took the dinghy in, and this is Compass Key Marina. Lots of mega yachts here, and what they do is they feed the nurse sharks, and you can swim with them kind of like right in front of their bar. So a really different experience. I know they're like puppy dogs, but when you hear you shouldn't swim with sharks, and then you're swimming with sharks, right? Even if they're nurse sharks. So really cool. They're really, really calm and sweet.
You can also feed them with little treats.
Right now. Oh. It has to go right in front of his nose. He's looking. There you go. Yeah. Look, he's looking for you. He's. He's like, hey, who is that? You're right. It's just a fish.
That little suction like freaks me out a little bit. Okay, you ready to snorkel?
Go for it.
As you walk around, your legs are constantly being brushed by fish and by sharks. This is fun, but geez, I'll get used to it. Reese immediately loved it. A nurse shark's mouth is filled with rows of small, serrated teeth for crushing hard-shelled prey. They feed on spiny lobsters and other crustaceans, small stingrays, sea urchins, squid, and bony fish.
Yeah.
It's like popcorn.
He's just chilling.
One of the fins just touched my leg.
We've anchored the dinghy in this little mangrove. There's the anchor, and we are gonna walk on foot to the bubble baths. Who's ready?
Ready? I think it's called Rachel's Bubble Bath, isn't it?
Rachel's bubble bath. Let's do it.
You might want to walk in the water because it's all bushes. The water's so warm. It's like a bathtub with like warm water, but like not at the real water, but like a little higher.
Okay.
I think what he's saying, it's not quite as warm as a bath, but it's still warm. After about a half-mile hike, we were almost there.
They say there's sea urchins here, so you want to wear shoes. We don't see any.
It's getting a little too deep for me.
Yeah, I got you. Here it comes. Oh. Here come the bubbles.
Bubble bear! Take that fish, stop in the way. Closer!
Closer?
Closer!
All right, hold on.
The waves come crashing over the rocks into the lagoon, creating a bubble bath effect in the warm water.
Can you touch that?
Yeah, I'm tiptoeing it.
I want some leftover bubbles!
I think he's enjoying it.
Oh no!
We made it to Rachel's bubble bath. It's prettier than I thought it would be. We had to plan it just right. It's about an hour before high tide, so the tide's coming up still. And we wanted to get here at that time so you could get the whirlpool bubble bath effect. And the winds also need to be up so it pushes the waves over, hence. Woo, I'm out of breath. It kicked my butt, but so happy that we made it here. What a day. So cool that we got to do both the nurse sharks and Rachel's bubble bath. Oh, it's cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That is crazy.
It gets a little rough as the tide gets high, that's for sure.
That's crazy. You think I want to be in that?
It was time to send in the boys.
The boys are going out there. It's a little deep. You know him, he wants to get closer.
Some of them are gonna come hard, you know that.
He's a daredevil. Here it comes.
Even though it beat you up a bit, it was so awesome to have this natural bubble bath all to ourselves. After that, we hopped aboard Taco and made the beautiful journey back to Calypso.
This is so flat and calm.
That's beautiful anchorage too.
I feel like it's the hidden gem.
Yeah.
Like, why isn't anybody else here?
Yeah, exactly.
It's really weird.
Yeah.
It's almost too good to be true. Like you said earlier, like I'm waiting for something to show up or something to happen.
Yeah.
And to prove and to show me why nobody's here, like
Right.
a massive mosquito
Yeah.
force
Well,
or something.
Reese is gonna sleep with us tonight. It'll be nice and warm and toasty in here.
I know.
And then tomorrow we will proceed with enjoying the day at this beautiful anchorage.
Looking forward to it.
The next morning, Jeremiah got us all set up for the day. I hope you're ready to have some fun in the sun.
Oh my gosh, kid, this is for you, Reese.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
1, 2, 3. I'm hard over.
You got some burned buns there. A different size bracket on here.
Oh. Are you ready for this? Yeah. Oh man, my arm is killing me. I'm the boat chef.
Did you know that?
No.
We've known them since the beginning.
You look like a professional.
Thanks. Completely not.
Propane system working. Thank you. That prop's damaged.
Yeah.
Did each side of the hull. Let's go practice.
Couple of these, but. Are we all set?
I don't know.
For the Annapolis Boat Show.
There we go, I can do this. My warranty expired about 10 years ago.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.